What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be talking about things that you need to look out for when you're buying a W204. So when you're looking to buy a W204, there's a couple things that I would personally look out for. I do want to suggest that you do get an inspection done on the vehicle, whether it's you doing it or you take it to your local independent shop, or if you take it to the dealer. And the reason I say that is because the biggest issue on these cars is the rear subframe rotting out. And if you don't know what a subframe is, it basically holds the entire back end of your car together. It holds all of the suspension components, the differential, it holds the control arm, it holds all that stuff. I actually had this happen on my other W204, which is right out there. It's a 2010 C300. I have the W204 C63 as well. Now when the subframe does get bad enough, when you're braking, the entire back end of the car is gonna sway back and forth. As you can see, this is a huge safety issue, and as of right now, Mercedes has not issued a recall. There's a lot of people saying that Mercedes won't issue a recall, but I think they will eventually. Obviously, the climate that you live in and the weather is a factor with the subframe. They will rust or rot quicker than other subframes, but I've had some people reach out to us and comment on our videos that their subframe is busted and they live in Florida, they live in southern states. So that's what makes me think that this is a design flaw on this car. And if you don't catch that subframe issue, you're gonna be out about $2,000 to $3,000, sometimes more. It is an expensive job, and it's gonna take probably around 1 to 2 days to get it done. Now, speaking of rust and corroding, the brake lines are also known to go bad, and that is another huge problem with these cars. Another issue that I've been seeing pop up a lot recently is with the ESL, which is the electronic steering lock. Now, if you have this go bad on your car is basically gonna be bricked. You're not gonna be able to move it, you're not gonna be able to turn it on, you're gonna have to get it towed to the dealer or another independent shop where you can get this replaced. Other than those issues, these are fantastic cars. That's why I do have 2 of them. They look great, they drive great, they are pretty bulletproof cars, minus some things on the C63, but you can prevent those with some maintenance stuff. I have some videos of doing preventative maintenance on the C63, so if you do have one of these cars and you do want to prevent some of the major things going on with the C63, make sure you do check out those videos. And I say that because my black C300 out there has almost 170,000 miles. And all I've done on it was basic maintenance, spark plugs, coil packs. I've had to do some things here and there that have gotten the wear. I've had to do an axle, I've had to do an alternator. I've had to do the ABS module because mine was acting up. But yeah, that is going to do it for this video. If this video did help you out, please make sure you do smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, hit that post notification bell so you never miss a video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.